Kardom Karbi Anglong News Channel kelang arado anaphanta nilihin pen adap kimi a kardom nang pachir iglo kardom. Pini Karbi Anglong News Channel abirta than ponji bang nilimen sami merjilin hansepi non birta angton pen arjuponik tha. Borjan Constituency Mentiso Arong along APDCL affected area Rong Inkoraketom Arong Asar Lapen Songcha Potum Pherangke Amai Kangni. Arua Chiklo Nipai Inkora Narkep Ninkan Suri Hinira Inkora Porni Borjan Constituency Angkang Solar Power Project Mate APDCL Kibi Ponchipu Aphuthak Chimit Me Pinpen Pherangke Amai Kangni Pon Pedolo Labangso Aphuthak Pini Arua Chiklo Nipai Inkora Narkeparni Labangso Solar Power Project Mate APDCL Keparlopon Rong Inkora Ketom Arong Asar Kedoan Lapen Songjapo Songjapi Kedoan Rong Inkora Ketom Arong Asar Chingrum Petpensi Solar Power Project Mate APDCL Aphuthak Ladak Borjan Constituency Amunit Kalipin Atum Nang Hangdunjo Aphuthak Pini Rong Inkora Ketom Chingrum Petpensi Pherangke Amai Kangni po. Tangte Mentiso Arong along APDCL affected area Rong Inkoiraketom Rong Asar Lapen Songjapo Songjapiatum Pherangke Amai Kangni pen Lamthe Kaning Jepon Alamthele Arjupon Iksena. HDP pen nang kilo aberta Pratap Ingle report Karbi Anglong News Channel.
Ready lama 1 2 3 on. To aprangsi nang letum pini bangso ang songa direction ateng pen bang elitum phanang ke post dun acara lir ke doa atum solar project kipiji po main pen along nang che jok dun happen bangso elitum phan ako nang letum ahok ma pu che thandak ngoi po meeting pini letum kangni press meet kangni along media korte tum kachopateng aporteng penang pali dun kega pot nilin pen kardom lapen rong asar in pen tanal tum han media korte tum han kardom itu lapen pinida kachitong kadok we rong koi raket khom dili tum la solar affected area arong asar tum han anta nilihin pen kardom chupilo angsona direction ateng pen nili tum han la cheklem tu po pen so kachiklem mane alang tum ili tum phanang ke potun thavret la so alam boy kipi bangso meeting nang chetong dun kili tum larong koi ro thom alis lai khen lo la so alis bangke dak do erlo agambura tum an la sirara tum bangke non chutiki chorlana por amasi jasmet pet rong asor tum phan bangke nil tum patigar pon pedat lo la gbs tum phan se hang pen se so press meet pinibi pon lo la so pen nang chetong dun aronga amena bangke lai khen lo alis lo la ke chengsi long kathar lo agambura dak doiglo lapen long hoop dak agambura doiglo kara rong pierong agambura dolo balijan bilo longki rong kara rong agambura dak amunit dolo lapen bangke balijan lalmati dolo dilai bolo diliterang lapen bangke langtu kramsa lapen hemari timu lapen bangke bonglong terang Mentiso, Lokpo Kiling, Sam Teron, Kania Hanse, Sarpo Terang, lapen ke Lokso Teron, Muhuri Teron, Nihang Terang, Teke Ingti, lapen mangke, lake Sorumanthi, Bidasing Kiling, Langbirik, Mijikro Anhelo Rong koi raket hom la bangke solar ke parlo vek arong lo sita me ke parlo posita a solar bang rong parlo pon pe la jitu rong kawi tet si a solar area bangke kitu a map tel tum long lap lo sita me non iri tum chesong bom pen wang bom bang atum dak la so project nang bilo upen il tum phan nang ethan nang kimum non ingkan hini lekelo bang ha ADB Asian Development Bank atuma methang dak inquiry chewang lo nang survey lo so pen APDCL atum aphong wang lo sita choke longle chujor phelang chujor tum amune tum khala so ke opos tum long chelang dun pensi pini ile tum phan la so development anak kimi ili tom han ke wang ya di malong bang atuma bang ke lahaya project ke chor I belek a state tumta country tumta la sonyong si bi thek lo polong te ili tum di malong a development e piki pu a ho bang ke wang tumta hala ADB pen wang atum bang Norway pen Italy pen la pen bang ke Spain pen lahai tum wang tumta nil tum han dak adok avita chitong long sar lo la tum iket han te kang ateng polo tangte la dak la so project bang bikok lu polo tangte so project long pipilo ali alap kilongi number 1 la tum pulo ili tum phan bang kechobe choke keninje thap bang ke solar project adungare arong ana bang ke hipi birik asonson le chuita rengun e adim kreng hakji munita chia ji pon an sigini ge mate 15 km surrounding ke la so a distance bang ke la ke munit makena hop dolap ji pu la sili tum non dak tot from menti sorong pen dimapur ta 15 km awi la si international munit tum bang chini je la sopia bosu mo solar ke banang tham dak lo pen chin ne pon ta google long search no solar ke la ke green energy akang sam nei miang bong ta la hen lo la si bang matha et si il tuma Dr. Tuliram Rong Hangsar la pen ke Assam Chief Minister Dr. Hemanto Biswa Sharma alang tumbang chini lor pen si karbia tumta paching thur nang pu alam lo la sila sopen mitang sena puthak non la IPP atum a leaders la rajen timung la pen bang ke APHLC a leaders atum Bikram Hamse atum bang chomatha bang ke Rong Asar pen chingki ke daga jat atomo nang chinin de pinsi alang tum si bora kethek arong tagali a hemta ave dak a rita ave alang tum pulo karbiang long indigenous people party pu kera ya sonsi kekrong thap chila tum bangke dak eli tum phan la an akki meji la so area la an keching thuri awar sai long po non eli tum pilo dak awar sai gelong habit haram ancholo ajat ta ave dak dungke tara chojor la pen ke mentulo keching thur la non la so dim geli tum la so solar project nang bi khok lo polong te la dak hek akam an ke bang 1000 amunir phan bang local to phan si dak asakuri piponji puta bang chichak do la pendra rata asudet pogali 4 grade 3rd grade pogali hek ason an bang local phan si first priority people pu la tum nang than te kang la pen lan chotakali adungare rong ke hek ason an karbi tum choklem beha paper dak dhorok e peke thak ta meri ke thak ta me ko pine uthung jo pangreng wokak jo pangreng la hai an to la tum lang ponji me lang towaran ta lang tum si arik si en lo nang jong si nang tum bi binong polong ten tum la anta nang lang pon pu pulu la sila so di ma bangke nili pudami po bangke alang li tum dak non ahok alam chi thandak sigimi akorat tum chi ni purde ko pulo la sinili pini bangke nang la tum phan khulasa mane open nang kuri pilo so area ke jasmet pet nil tomta kecheng aku kichini inde aku bangke nil tomta kroikri pu ke opos pu pulu sie malong ta lo chupidam pu pulu sita phialam long thula ap lo lapen bangke area jitia survey nang start lo area ta chelang lo la ke minimum maximum 70 to 80% along le bangke la ke mentur ni rong asor pen ko nana asor ne along le ta la non solar ke parlo aju an ke chejor ta tang et lu donatum karbiang long arat atum wang ignoi nang letum approve nang pipu dak long lega cheyor tum si jasa met apen hala nang ke nang han te kanga teng ba nil tum hanang pa chinia teng ala poen lo jitia tamane alama clear lo pulo tangte alang li tum final chitokku je pini pen bangga project bi vek po ba ladak nang ot po pulo tangte la suti council karbiang long termas council la pen ke ala epidicial lapen ADB itu alang tum chitok ko hala sofiansi lapen kaching ba verbal kaching ba hutsita minon alang tum rason chini ponlo je ladak local latum phansi first priority lake theka son an ke mopen suri sibak armu geladak palut pon ku pa bangke alang tum non chitok pon ku alam lo sita akam si a disturbance ki ongamat lahai ke chitok avela alang letum just nang tum kroy ma po fansi ke bang chotlang la sopensi alang tum ako nang chi survey lo non la sinon survey tangi dok dok a porsi la bangke alang tum nang la son mopen ningi pon bom alam makam hal hai nang a disturbance doko ko masi non chitok thek la Setelah bangke alang litum cicakang lo, EDB atom danang cicakang lo, APDCL atom danang cicakang lo.
First of all, I want to sincerely thank the media personnel, the residents of the solar affected areas, and all the friends who have traveled from far and wide to attend this meeting on our invitations. Today, we have called this meeting because we have noticed a concerning trend. Individuals from outside our area who have no direct knowledge or connection to our land or the solar project are coming in and opposing the project. As per the direction given, officials from KAAC, APDCL and even international representatives have been visiting our area regularly for over a year, almost every 2 to 3 months, to conduct surveys and engage with the people. All 23 villages involved have raised no objection to the solar project. We, the villagers, see this as a real opportunity for development in our region. The project representatives have promised to support the local community in meaningful ways. They have committed to improving our livelihoods by supporting small businesses such as weaving, pig rearing and silk farming, and by helping build schools, roads, water system, electricity, connection and more. They have agreed to our terms and are ready to work alongside for the growth of the affected areas. It is important to understand that 80% of the land in question is wasteland. Much of it is illegally occupied by encroachers. This project represents a light of hope for us, a chance to finally see progress and change for our people. That's why we will not allow outsiders like Rajan Timung from IPP, Bikram Singh Hanse from APHLC and others to destroy this hope. They are not from our villages, they are not our representatives, and they do not speak for us. Their claim that 20,000 people live in the area is completely false and driven by political agendas. We know our land, we know our villages, and we know what is best for our future. No outsider will come and dictate what should happen in our house. We live here, we decide what is right for us. Frankly, I find this opposition unnecessary and driven by motives that seems more about personal gain than genuine concern. I have to ask, are they opposing simply because they are not getting any financial benefit from it? Their opinion seems irrelevant and lack value, especially since they are neither from our area nor directly affected by the project. As of all you know, the KAC and we, the people who actually live in the areas impacted by the solar project, have no issue with its development. We understand the benefits and support the initiatives. It is important to stand firm and not let outside voices who don't share our struggles or vision dictate what is best for our community. Clarification of misinformation. I also want to address some of the false claims being spread by outsiders regarding our areas. They are saying that there are 20,000 Nagas, Karbi and Adivasi residents living here. That is simply not true. I invite anyone to come and see the reality for themselves. Our area does not have the kind of dense jungle they describe, nor do we have a population anywhere near the figure. What we do have are few tenants who engage in farming, but even they are not permanent settlers. They are yearly tenants with agreement that lasts for only 1 year at a time. This kind of misinformation only harms the development process and misleads the public. We, the actual residents of the area, know the truth, and we urge people to speak based on the fact and not assumption or exaggeration. On the issues of encroached land and opposition, I also want to bring attention to a very serious issue. The area affected by the solar project are mostly encroached lands, now occupied by people from other states. These lands were officially were never officially transferred or settled. Yet now outsiders are trying to claim rights over them. I say this directly to those who are opposing the project. If you truly care about the land, then take responsibility. Help us claim these encroached areas and protect us from the growing threat of land mafias. It is hypocritical to oppose the solar project while turning a blind eye to illegal occupation. Let's not ignore the fact that a few local individuals who are now speaking out against the project are the very same people who sold land to outsiders in the first place. And now they are demanding the project be cancelled. That raises serious questions. And it is also interesting to note that some people, even when internationally, have spoken out against this project. But I can't help but wonder who is behind their effort, especially considering the travel expenses and funding involved. I myself come from one of the solar affected area, and I speak here as a representative of my community. If you all know our villages, you will understand they are older than the present day Dimapur town. Yet despite we have seen no development, we have no proper roads, no reliable water supply, no schools, and a growing problem of land mafias. For years, our area was treated like no man's land, forgotten, without facility, without opportunity, and with a very difficult livelihood. But with this solar project, for the first time, we have seen a glimpse of hope. We see the possibility of development, roads, electricity, jobs, and the promise that the project will, alongside the local community, to build a better future. They have assured us that both men and women will be supported in creating sustainable livelihood. Our village may finally gain recognition as a solar city. We also hope it will bring safety and protection from land mafias, especially since we live along the border with another state.
Pinya berta ke lapuan si kang ton pon iklo do me thak me